Hi people, this is Recho in the kitchen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Everyday Kenya. Today guys, I want to show you what we are going to make. And before we go, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Kenya. Usisahau press the bell icon. You'll be the first one to get notice when we upload the new videos. Leo, we are going to make chicken tikka. Mine is here. I have marinated it. Mine it has stayed in the fridge for 48 hours, but you can marinate and put it for 24 to 48 hours according to your time which you want to make. The things I have put, the marination, I have right in the description box. Go there, you will see it, and you cover it with foil and put it in fridge. I want to show you how we are going to make it. First you heat the pan. Here I'm making on gas, but if you have jiko, the one we use with charcoal, if you want me to show you how to make it on jiko, leave the comment there, niandikie hapo, immediately nitakushow. My pan is hot. I want to make my tikka healthy with no much oil. This is avocado oil and olive oil. I'm using avocado oil and olive oil. You spread it like this. After you spread, you lower your heat. We are going to cook it in low heat. After that, and my chicken, sijatoa ngozi, I have not removed the skin, still with the skin. After you flip your chicken 2 times, don't throw the juice. This is everything. Unainimizia on top of the chicken. And you let your chicken cook now. I'm going to flip it, and when it is cooking in low heat, I'm making my chapatis because I'm going to eat with chapatis. As you can see, the way it is coming, it is cooking well. I want to squeeze some lemon. Now I'm going to cover it while it is cooking. I'm busy there making my chapo. Usipike one thing, the other one is cold, the other one is coming hot. Food is all about timing. You eat everything together and hot and nice. So I'm going to cover mine. Today I'm not making the regular chapatis. I want to make tandoori style chapatis. For that you need a karai like this. You put up and down like this. And it needs to be hot. And I'm going to show you there. So I'm going to turn it on. After you roll your chapati, make sure you have some water. You put on top of your chapati, but not too much. This will help the chapati to stick on the top of our pan, of our karai. You can see has some bubbles. It is cooking. Nice. My chicken tikka is ready. You can see. I have my food, and this is my roti. It's ready and hot. I have some kachumbari, and I have raita, and I'm going to enjoy all of this together. I'm telling you, this is the dish. Very nice and delicious. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, comment below there, subscribe, give it a like, don't forget to share and give it a thumb up. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. See you next week, episode 16. Stay safe.